Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today is a very short video. Really, just more of a update than anything. So I'm not really gonna be teaching much. I guess in a way I am, and I'll get to that in a minute. But yeah, as you can see on the screen here, I am taking a sick day. I put in my work, but at the end of it all, I'm kind of worn out, dealing with some body aches and just this draggy feeling. Excuse me, I'm got a little bit of a shiver, so I'm wrapped up in my blanket, and that's why I'm not on video. I'm not showing you my handsome face, and you might be able to tell that I sound a little bit congested. So, um, don't worry, this isn't COVID or anything like that. My body's weird in the sense that it reacts whenever the temperature drops or rises quickly. So last couple weeks we've had some pretty fair to cool weather, roughly about 40, like between 38 to 40 or 50 degrees. Like I guess that's a big range, but anyway, it was kind of the norm for the last few weeks, and then today it was spiked up to uh, 79 or something, so practically 80 degrees. And while I love that, I love the heat. I love nice warm weather. Any time that the temperature drops or rises up real fast, my body just for whatever reason can't handle it, and it gets like this. So anyway, I guess the lesson here, you can see that I'm still posting a video despite that. I feel like crap. I'm not showing up on video. I don't want to, you know, do much else but lay in my bed. But here I am, grinding it out, posting on a video, and not giving up. And that's dedication right there. That's I know it sounds like such a simple thing, but how many of you guys, if you felt, pretty bad, would you choose to just give in and listen to your body and just lay down versus, pushing through um, and doing what needs to be done? So yeah, this is what I'm doing. This is my dream to raise this YouTube channel, and it's slowly growing. I haven't even done nearly all the things that I plan on doing for marketing. So you see that the counter at the time of this video, I only have a tiny handful of subscribers, but in the past I've raised YouTube channels up to over 1,000, and so I know how to do it. I just need to get on my butt and actually do it. But in the meantime, I wanted to reach out to you guys, let you know what's going on, and I'm okay. And most likely this will be gone by tomorrow, so we'll be back tomorrow for your regularly scheduled video. But yeah, just letting you know what's up. And once again, if you're in a position where inconveniences rise up against you and you feel just completely drained and doing what you need to do for your own online business, for your entrepreneurial endeavors, it may seem like the last thing you ever want to do, and in hindsight you may think to yourself, well, maybe not in hindsight, but you may think to yourself, well, if I just miss one day, it shouldn't do too much damage. I mean, I should be okay. I highly advise you to not think like that. Hustle as hard as you can, even if you have to be bleeding to do it. I mean, that's what separates, the dedicated ones, the ones that are guaranteed to succeed, from those who are constantly making excuses and, never, like they dream of going somewhere, but they never do. So don't let that be you. I don't want that to be you. So anyway, short video. I will see you guys next time. But if you could do me a favor, this will help me feel better. Give me a thumbs up on this video, and that tells the YouTube algorithm that content here is pretty important and you want to see more of it, and you want it to show for other people. And also click the subscribe button to my channel. Click the bell notification to be updated on future videos. At this rate, I'm trying to post once per day. And last but not least, if you want to know how to set up an online income using affiliate marketing with a platform that's already done for you, all you gotta do is a quick configuration, take like 5 minutes, and then you're good to go. Click the link in the description box below. I would be your personal mentor, and I'd be more than happy to guide you and handhold you all the way through so that you can strive out on your own for your own success. So yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys in the next video. It's your boy Jason. Pray for your man that he gets better. I know I will, but yeah. It's your boy Jason. Much love, God bless, and as always, you know how it is. Peace.